Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make money on Exodus. Exodus offers several ways to potentially grow your crypto assets. One primary method is through staking, where you can earn passive income by simply holding certain cryptocurrencies in your wallet. This process helps secure the network, and in return, you receive rewards. It's a straightforward way to put your digital assets to work for you, often yielding attractive annual percentages. Exodus makes staking accessible for popular cryptocurrencies. For instance, you can stake assets such as Solana or Cardano directly from your wallet. The annual percentage yields, or APY, can vary significantly, often ranging from 2% up to more than 10%, depending on the asset and network conditions. These rewards are usually paid out consistently, providing a steady stream of income directly into your Exodus wallet. Another powerful way to potentially make money with Exodus is by using its integrated exchange feature. This allows you to swap between different cryptocurrencies directly within your wallet. The strategy here is to buy assets when their prices are low and then sell them when their value increases. By carefully observing market trends and making timely exchanges, you can capitalize on price fluctuations and grow your portfolio. While earning with Exodus, security is paramount. Always ensure you have robust security measures in place, such as enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Crucially, never, under any circumstances, share your 12-word secret recovery phrase. It's the master key to your funds. Regularly backing up your wallet is also vital to safeguard your digital assets against unforeseen issues, ensuring your earnings remain secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.